Welcome to my honest review of Marketo, a marketing automation platform designed to help businesses streamline their digital marketing efforts. In this video, I will take you through the key features, user experience, pricing, and overall value of Marketo, sharing real insights based on my experience. If you're looking for a tool to enhance your email marketing, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies, this review will help you determine whether Marketo is the right fit for your business. Let's start with the dashboard. Upon logging in, you're greeted with an interface that offers a range of marketing tools, from email automation to lead management. The layout is well structured but can feel overwhelming for beginners due to the sheer number of options available. However, once you get used to it, the navigation becomes more intuitive, and the customization options allow you to tailor the dashboard to your needs. Marketo excels in lead management. It provides advanced segmentation and scoring features, enabling businesses to identify and nurture high-value prospects efficiently. You can track user behavior, assign lead scores based on engagement, and automate follow-ups. This is particularly useful for B2B companies looking to optimize their sales funnel. The email marketing functionality is another highlight. Marketo offers a drag-and-drop email builder, pre-designed templates, and A/B testing capabilities. You can set up personalized drip campaigns based on user behavior, which helps improve conversion rates. The automation workflows are powerful, though setting up complex sequences may require some learning. Marketo also integrates with various CRM platforms, including Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics. This integration ensures that sales and marketing teams stay aligned, enabling seamless lead nurturing and conversion tracking. If you're already using a CRM, Marketo can enhance its functionality by providing deeper insights into customer interactions. Now, let's talk about analytics and reporting. Marketo offers in-depth reporting tools that allow you to measure campaign performance, track conversions, and understand customer journeys. The reports are customizable, but beginners might find the interface a bit complex at first. However, once you grasp how to use the analytics tools effectively, they provide valuable insights for refining your marketing strategy. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. One of the biggest concerns with Marketo is its pricing. It's not the most budget-friendly option, especially for small businesses. The pricing structure depends on factors like database size and feature set, which can make costs add up quickly. If you're a startup or a small company, you may want to compare Marketo with alternatives like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign before making a decision. Customer support is another area where opinions are mixed. Marketo provides extensive documentation, community forums, and support tickets, but direct customer support can sometimes be slow. If you prefer having real-time assistance, this might be something to consider. Overall, Marketo is a powerful marketing automation platform with robust features for businesses looking to optimize their digital marketing efforts. It excels in lead management, email automation, and analytics, making it a solid choice for mid-sized to large businesses. However, its learning curve, complex pricing, and support limitations may not make it ideal for beginners or small businesses on a tight budget. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and marketing insights.